Okay, good morning student. How are you? See today last lecturer we learn about the cell organelles. See these cell organelles we have to learn remaining cell organelles like a cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? What is the function of cytoplasm in the cell? Is the need to the cytoplasm to the cell? See, here cytoplasm is a very important and transparent jelly-like material is there. Transparent jelly-like material. Jelly-like material is a present. See, fill the cell between. Fill the cells between nucleus. So jelly-like substance is present in the cytoplasm. Next, what said? Cytoplasm is a chemical factory of all cells. So it is a chemical factory. Chemical factory of all cells. Okay, we have to see this is a animal cell. It is a nucleus is there. See, inside this is a cytoplasm is present. So it is a cytoplasm is present. So this is a totally cytoplasm is there. See, we are calling cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Next, what said? Energy release and store. Here is a energy is a releasing. Energy is released and stored. से यहाँ पर एनर्जी क्या होती है, रिलीज होती है और स्टोर भी होती है. देखो ये जो सेल है एनिमल सेल और प्लांट सेल. एनिमल्स दिस सेल में क्या होता है, ये जो ट्रांसपेरेंट रहता है साइटोप्लाज्म, और ये जो सब्सटेंसेस है जेली लाइक सब्सटेंसेस इज देयर. सी विस्कस मटेरियल fill the cell and between the nucleus. So it is a between the nucleus, filled with the cell between the nucleus and see nucleus, and what said here, cell membrane. Cell membrane. Cell membrane. See ये जो है ये सेल मेम्ब्रेन है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन. और ये जो है न्यूक्लियस है. न्यूक्लियस है. नेक्स्ट, केमिकल फैक्ट्री ऑफ द all cells. Okay, next we have to see the most of the chemical reactions. See here only occurring most of the chemical reactions, most of the chemical reactions which keep the cell alive, which keep the cell alive. Next, what said? Place in the cytoplasm. Place in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Next, we have to see the various structures present in the cytoplasm of various organelles present in cytoplasm is called cell organelles. Various organelles is present in cytoplasm. Say like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, ribosomes, lysosomes, etc. See, this like is present in the cytoplasm. See, cytoplasm जो है मटेरियल ये ट्रांसपेरेंट रहता है, जेली लाइक मटेरियल रहता है, ये बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस एंड सेल मेम्ब्रेन. ये न्यूक्लियस है, ये सेल मेम्ब्रेन में, इसमें जो अंदर जो रहता है उसको अपन क्या बोलना है, साइटोप्लाज्म. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट, केमिकल फैक्ट्री ऑफ द सेल्स. हियर इज ए फैक्ट्री, इज देयर, केमिकल्स इज प्रोड्यूसिंग हियर ओनली. नेक्स्ट, एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड एंड स्टोर्ड. एनर्जी क्या होती है यहाँ पर, रिलीज होती है और स्टोर भी होती है यहाँ पर. See, most of the chemical reactions which are keep the cell alive place in the cytoplasm. See, chemical reaction occurring in the cytoplasm. See, it will be keep the our cell for alive. Various organelles present in the cells. बहुत सारे organelles रहते हैं, cell organelles. Okay, अपन उसको क्या बोलना है, called the cell organelles. Like we have to see the mitochondria is there. Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex, ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast. See, so many organelles is present in the cell. Okay, cytoplasm. Next, we have to learn the mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. Next one is a mitochondria. See, here is a mitochondria is present in the cell organelles. Okay, in the cell organelles, see this like mitochondria is present in cell organelles. See, we are calling the this is a mitochondria. In the cytoplasm, it is a present. What said? The tiny rod-shaped or spherical organelles which are found in all the cells. See what said? Tiny rod shape or spherical shape. See what said? Spherical shape. Organelles presents. See this one. Next, what said? Mitochondria provide energy for. Mitochondria provide energy. Energy is providing mitochondria for all the activities of cell. All the activities of the cells. See this one. Next, what said? Mitochondria is a food is broken down into the presence of oxygen. Food is broken down in the presence of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, food is broken down. Next, we have to see the mitochondria use glucose and oxygen produce energy. Mitochondria use glucose plus oxygen. What said? Produce the energy. Produce energy. Okay, see once you have to see. Mitochondria shape is a rod shape or it is a spherical shape. इसका जो shape रहता है, structure कैसा रहता है? rod shape रहता है और spherical shape रहता है. और mitochondria क्या करती है? Energy provide करती है. See, they are providing the energy for all activities. The mitochondria is providing the energy for all activities. सभी एक्टिविटीज के लिए ये जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है एनर्जी प्रोवाइडिंग. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग द एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्या बोलते हैं? एनर्जी करेंसी. मीन्स यहाँ पर एनर्जी क्या होती है? प्रोड्यूस होती है, प्रोड्यूसिंग. नेक्स्ट, फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? हाँ, एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. इन आवर बॉडी इज अकरिंग द एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, सी ब्रोकन डाउन. फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन से प्रेजेंस में क्या होता है? फूड जो होता है ब्रेक डाउन होता है, स्मॉलर पीसेस. यहाँ पर ग्लूकोज ब्रोकन डाउन होता है. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया यूज ग्लूकोज प्लस ऑक्सीजन. सी दिस वन इज ए ग्लूकोज. राइट, ग्लूकोज formula is there, chemical formula. This is a oxygen. Okay, here is a energy is a producing. See, this much is there in your book also. Okay, tiny rod shaped, this like you have to learn. Next we have to learn the cell wall. See, this is a plant cell. This is a plant cell. Sorry, animal cell is one. Animal cell. Next we have to learn about the cell wall. Where is the present cell wall? We have to see the here. See, this is a vacuole. See, this is a vacuole and here is a nucleus and here is a cytoplasm and this is a cell wall. Okay, inside a cell membrane is there. Okay, next we have to learn in this lesson, it is a cell wall.